Hey guys, we just made a vlog, but the thing is, the alarm just turned on, so it was so noisy that we had to go back. So let's redo this. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and turn on post notifications. And like too. And also, this is Kiera, if you didn't know.
Again.
Well, they don't know the other footage though, so.
Yeah, so we have to start all over with our footage because
it was too loud and you guys probably would have got your ears. Stop doing that.
Stop.
Okay, here's your slime.
So here's the
We're
one
probably
that
gonna add some
made
fluff
me.
balls in it.
This is what she made me.
We're probably gonna add some balls.
It's really not stretchy, Siera.
It is stretchy. You're stretching it too hard.
Oh.
You're supposed to stretch it softly. You don't go. It's not gonna stretch like that. Okay, now it's my turn to get my slime made. She's gonna help me with my slime since I helped her with hers. I don't really like big, huge slimes, guys.
I do. I want the biggest slime in the whole
You're gonna get it
world.
on the floor if you keep doing that. It's clicky, really, though.
It's so satisfying, though.
I'm gonna I'm gonna make a unicorn slime. I'm gonna try.
Oh,
okay. Get my glitters in.
And if y'all don't know about Rebecca Samolo's slime song, go use that as for your slime.
I love Rebecca Simone. I have her on Musical.ly.
Me too, but I don't know why the alarm went off for some reason. We were just up here. We weren't doing anything until the alarm went off.
We were doing our vlog and then it just went. Like, can you do that? It was so loud. It was hurting our ears. Because my mom said my brother was messing
With the alarm.
Yeah. Where is and my brother
Is there an alarm in his room?
No. But my brother's not a baby. If you think he's a baby, no. My brother is 22 years old. Oh.
He was in HCB.
No, he doesn't. That was his girlfriend's thing.
So where does he work?
He works at a mechanic shop. He's a mechanic. He's a manager. He works at different stores. I don't really know what he does that much. He doesn't really talk about his job. Oh,
hello. Did those even work?
They do. Okay, so I'm gonna add some more glitters in because this like needs to be glitterful and it's not too.
I might add a lot of glitter to mine. I want to make mine like so colorful. But I might bring this tomorrow to school.
If you get taken away, I'm gonna be so mad at you.
I know, right? Because then we made it for nothing.
Yeah. Okay, so can I see your slime real quick? I'm just gonna try to add. You see, I don't really like these sticks for making slime because they just get like all the slime on them, and then like they're so and then like it when you try to rip off the slime, it makes the slime different color because it takes the color off. So I really wouldn't suggest using these. I have other things I could share it with. I just don't have time to get up and do that. This is so glitterful. Can you guys see it? It's pretty. Oh, guys, I need you guys to look at this. Okay.
Oh, that's so colorful. I use a little bit.
Let me see. How much do you want?
I just want a little bit.
That's
And you already put too much.
that looks cute though. I'm gonna add this much in. Like sometimes I don't add a lot in because like it wastes my starch. Today we're just gonna.
So guys, this is how crazy people are. You don't know how crazy people are. When people are what was I about to say? When people are putting glitter or clay when they're putting glitter or paint in their slime, they have to touch it from the top. But guess what? You could just put the slime on top instead of just doing what you think you're supposed to be doing. Don't touch it from the top. Like, do the next thing.
I don't know what you're talking about. This is okay. So guys, if you like, so some people just play with their slime like this, and it gets stuck on their hands. I'm gonna tell you how to properly hold slime there is a way that probably helps you. Have I taught you this way yet?
Nope.
So I guess you're gonna find out now. So like if somebody's playing with your slime and they just get it all sticky in their hands, like well that's their fault, not your fault, because when you play with it, it's not sticky. I'm gonna tell you why. Because when you play with it, you're moving your hands fast. When they play with it, they're doing this. They need to make sure they keep it at the tips if it's too sticky, and then they make sure it's going really fast so that it doesn't stick to them. And doing this just makes it more like able to stick to you.
And another reason why slime gets on your hands is because you're a beginner. You need to stop being a beginner. You need to start playing with slime to stop being a beginner and start being a pro. Because if you're a beginner, slime's going to get all over your hands. Because
yeah, so I'm telling you this so that now you know how to play with the slime and that you don't get mad when you feel somebody's slime and it gets all over your hands.
Because that happened to me before, but I don't care because I'm still...
And then when you're like an actual slime person, like you're really super good at slime, you're gonna not be like, you're not gonna care if it's sticky. Like me, if it's sticky, I don't care. I'm gonna add more activator in it.
Because that makes it not sticky.
Yeah. It just makes it more slime. You can go in with your hands and stuff.
This girl named Olivia from the #Sisters, she's a pro at slime.
Oh, I love Olivia from the #Sisters.
And she said if your slime has melted, if you like bring the slime to like the park or something because you want to make a vlog or something, she says like add a thick thing of slime to it. Add a thick slime that's not melted and add it to your slime, and then it'll start getting off your hands because like if your slime is melted, of course it'll get all over your hands.
But you might be asking, how does slime melt? That just seems weird, doesn't it?
It is
Well,
weird,
slime melts because like it has glue in it and like it has like stuff in it that makes it melt. Can you explain to them?
You see how it's sticky onto my hands because I was moving slow, but I can still move fast.
Oh. Okay, so like slime, it melts on your hands because like the heat pressure. I don't know if I'm right or not, but if I am, then do it. But it can like stick to you because like you have heat. Your hands build up heat, so the heat can melt the slime.
Do you have a question of the day on your YouTube?
No, but you can do that if you want.
So, I know it's not to the end yet, but I'm going to tell you the question of the day when we get closer to the end. So we're like about to close it. I'm going to tell you the question of the day, and you have to comment to see what the answer is going to be. So
if you don't comment, I'm going to be disappointed. Because I don't even think that anybody comments.
I'm subscribe to you.
Do you have any YouTube channels you would like to comment, please?
So if you have a YouTube channel, comment your YouTube channel. We'll go look at it.
And do you have anybody you know that has a YouTube channel besides me that you would like them to subscribe to?
Go follow my cousin Justice. It's called Justice Mendez, and her name is spelled Justus. So go follow her.
And spell it out a shorter way now.
Just spell just.
Wait, so spell it again.
Just.
Just. US.
So let's spell it Justus.
Okay, guys, you want to see how it's spelled? And here it is. Where's Slime? Do you guys know where Nick Slime is? That's not Nick Slime. Nick Slime is our Nickelodeon slime. He cleans up the mess for us, too. And then we also have, this one was called Stiffy Slime, but now Stiffy Slime is all gone. Wait, I'm not done with it yet.
Okay.
It's pretty, guys.
So, guys, if you want to add glitter to it, a pro does a little bit of glitter. Because if you add too much, it's gonna make it like all that type of glitter, because that's why you have to use a little bit. But if you accidentally use like too much,
it's okay. But you would rather use not too much.
Yeah, but if you did on accident, it's fine. It's not gonna make the whole thing good. But if you like use a lot, that's definitely gonna be horrible.
And here's a trick, guys. So like your slime gets all sticky and you don't want to touch it. Like I said, put the starch in your hands, but also just play with it.
You have to
Even though you
knead
don't
it.
want to
You
touch
have to
it,
knead it.
even if you don't want to touch it, you still gotta like touch it at some
You have
point.
to touch it to make it.
So
knead
yeah,
it.
just like start kneading it some more.
You have to knead it, and you have to knead it to make it not sticky.
This is so sticky though, bro. Okay, so this is my slime. Hers is a bit prettier than mine. Show them.
Look. I added more color to mine, so I think that's why mine.
And then
looks
can you
pretty.
show them these?
Okay, so I'm gonna put my slime off.
Comment down below who do you think is better.
Okay, so let's show them to the camera one more time. So this is mine.
And this is mine.
So comment down Siera or Kierra, and my name is spelled Kierra.
And mine is spelled Siera.
And y'all should know that by her channel,
Yeah.
Siera Crafts.
Sierra's Crafts.
Mine is double R's, hers is one R.
And my mom and dad gave me one R because my mom told me she didn't want me named after a truck because there's a truck with double R's. I'd be named after a lot of things, and I don't really think she would like.
She was gonna name her mom was gonna name her daughter Kierra.
It was either Kierra or Tiara. I would have to ask her.
My name was gonna be Tiara, but my cousin name is Tiara, so they named me Kierra.
They had to name me a different number because my cousin, they already had a cousin named that name.
She had a cousin. They were gonna name her Kierra, but they already had a cousin.
Or Tiara.
Or Tiara, but see, all these names are so.
Get your slime.
They're about to drop.
Don't leave your slime out of nowhere.
Oh,
That's already off the bag.
What?
And don't like drag it up like this because it could fall on the ground. Okay. You like mine?
Yeah. Yours is like way bigger than mine.
I didn't
You
even
did it?
No, I didn't.
Bro, when y'all poke the slime, it's so satisfying.
So now we should tell Kierra where to search for my YouTube channel since she's never seen them and stop doing that. Girl, you are
Go to Siera Crafts.
Sierra's Crafts 'S, guys. Even though you already know that, we're just telling her that just in case she doesn't know. So remember, you better get to this place, Kierra.
Okay.
If you don't watch, I'm getting mad at you.
I'm gonna subscribe. Don't worry, you're gonna have 3 subscribers.
I might have more than 3. On my other channel, guys, if you don't remember, please go check out Sierra's Crafts All Day. And yeah, this is really sticky, so we're gonna have to make some more adjustments to it. And guys, so my musically is Rena 2.0 Love, no spaces, no capitals, okay? And tell them yours.
Apex _girl _gymnast.
Mine is Siera Rena 2.0. Remember, Rena 2.0. Rena 2.0 Love. Rena 2.0 Love is mine.
And remember, Apex _girl _gymnast. Remember.
And she goes to
Apex for gymnastics.
Well, see, I've gone to gymnastics, but the thing is, I'm still picking out the gymnastics I want to go to. I'm kind of certain. So what level are you?
She's still gymnast. I'm not on the level. We go to like back handspring, walkover.
Oh, so yeah, hers is more of competing, like cheerleading.
Yeah, but I am in walkover. I can work on like all my back walkovers and like my front walkovers.
Don't do that. Stop.
But for right now, I can only do my back walkover and front walkover.
Will you show them your back walkover?
No, not right now, because I'm not that flexible right now.
Can you show them your front walkover?
I'm not that flexible right now. I have to do it at the gym because it's way more easy.
But you know, I've seen you do your front
I know.
walkover. Just
I
show them. They're not going to make fun of you, guys. You better not make fun of her. Okay, let's show them.
Whoa.
Mine, I can do a front walkover.
But she forgot.
No, I didn't forget. I'm just not like, I can do it, but I'm not so good. Like, sometimes I can do it, sometimes I can't. It's just that kind of thing. You ready? Come on, show them.
Where?
Just like right here. Can you do it? Is that enough space?
Yeah, this is cool.
It was for my birthday party. Okay, come on. Gotta show them, Kierra.
Where? Okay. If I could do it.
Let's see if this is enough space for her to do this.
I hope so.
Or you could just show them your back bend.
1, 2.
Come on. And you guys have to comment down below to see who's flexibler. Okay, my turn.
Oh.
Okay, we're going to show you different ways to do back bends.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. So I can do it this way. And then I go down. But wait, I'm not done yet. So sometimes I get away, sometimes I can't. It's just like that kind of thing. Or my foot is falling asleep. Okay, your turn to show me another way. I have one way that I really want to show you guys that she better not do. Okay, I got one. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys like more than one. So, okay, so you can just be like, I'm so normal. And then you get up and do this. Or you could do this. The regular way where you're just laying down and then you get up. And then I have this way. Okay. If you're not really good at it, you can just do that. And then I get another way. I can do one. You guys ready?
Yeah. They can still see. There you go.
Okay, and then I go one more. And then it's